Hello everyone, myself Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of drug targets and cell receptors. So starting from the drug targets are the specific molecules which a drug binds to get the therapeutic effect. So in human body the basic target sites are proteins, enzymes. Now talking about the proteins and enzymes, these are the molecules or substances where DNA or they help in DNA replication to transcription and all the processes. Talking about cell receptors, these are the sites at which the receptor binds in order to induce the therapeutic effect as well as the required change. Like talking about the receptor types, firstly intracellular or internal receptor. It is the intracellular receptor found in the cytoplasm of the cell, which respond to the hydrophobic ligand of the molecule that are able to travel across the plasma membrane. Once inside the cell, the molecules bind to protein in order to act as regulators of mRNA synthesis to mediate gene expression. Gene expression is the cellular process of transforming the information in the cell's DNA into the required amino acids that ultimately forms the proteins. The ligand receptor complex moves into the nucleus, binds to specific chromosomal regions of the DNA, and promotes initiation of transcription. Now, surface receptors. These receptors, also known as transmembrane receptors, this cell surface anchored or integral protein that binds to external ligand molecule. This type of receptor spans the plasma membrane and performs signal transmission or transduction, connecting an extracellular signal into intracellular signal. Ligands that enter in the cell surface or the ligands that interact with the cell surface as do not need to enter into the cell as they need to just affect. Now talking about ion channel receptor. Ion channel receptor binds a ligand and opens a channel to through the membrane that allows specific ions to pass through it. To perform a channel, this type of surface receptors has an extensive spanning membrane region. In order to react with the phospholipid fatty acid tails that form the center of the plasma membrane, many of the amino acids in the membrane spanning region are hydrophobic in nature. Conversely, the amino acids inside the channel are hydrophilic to allow passage of waters as well as ions. Now, G protein coupled receptor or G protein linked receptor. It is a receptor which binds to a ligand and activates the protein called G protein. Then the activated G protein either interacts with ion channel or enzyme in the membrane. Cell signaling using G receptors, G protein linked receptor occurs as a cyclic series of several. Before ligand could bind, the G protein, which is in the inactive form, binds to the specific site which is newly or occurred on the receptor. Once G protein binds to receptor, the resultant change activates the protein which releases GDP and picks GTP. The subunits of G protein splits into alpha subunit and beta subunit. Both of these gene fragments may be able to activate other proteins as a result. Now lastly, enzyme linked receptor. These are the receptors with intracellular domains that are associated with enzyme. In some cases, intracellular domain of a receptor is itself a enzyme or enzyme linked surface receptor that interacts directly with the enzyme. These have normally large extracellular and intracellular domains, but the membrane spanning region of single alpha helical region of the peptide strand When a ligand binds to an extracellular domain, a signal is transferred through membranes and activates the enzyme, which sets off chain of events within cell that eventually leads the enzyme to the response. An example of this receptor is tyrosine kinase receptor, where tyrosine kinase receptor transfers phosphate group to tyrosine molecules. Signaling molecules bind to the extracellular domain of two nearby tyrosine kinase receptor, which then demerizes the phosphates are then added to tyrosine kinases residues on the intracellular domain of the receptor, and then can meet the or transmit the signal to the cell or the next messenger with the cytoplasm. Thank you.